Okay, if you've ever worked with data, you know this feeling. You spend hours, maybe even days, inside a Jupyter Notebook. You wrangle the data, you tweak the code, and you finally create the perfect visualization. But then you hit that wall. How do you get that amazing chart out of the notebook and into the real world? Well, today we're going to show you the absolute quickest, simplest way to do it.
So picture this. It's right there on your screen, the graph that tells your data story perfectly. The colors are spot on, the labels are crystal clear, your analysis is done. You kind of lean back in your chair, feeling pretty good, but then that question hits you. Okay, now what? How do I get this thing into my slide deck or my report?
And that's the thing, isn't it? It's so frustrating. For all the amazing things Jupyter can do, it can sometimes feel like your work is just trapped, locked inside. I mean, sure, you could try to take a screenshot, but then you lose all that beautiful quality. Or you could write a bunch of extra code just to save the file, but that just feels like a hassle. Your work is right there, but it feels a million miles away.
But what if I told you the escape plan was, well, literally a key combination? The solution is so simple, it's almost kind of funny. The big secret, and this comes straight from our source material, is to just press Shift and right-click. That's it. That one little action is the key to the whole thing.
It really is just these 3 simple steps. First, you just hover your mouse right over your visualization. Then, and here's the magic part, you hold down the Shift key and you right-click. All of a sudden, this totally new menu pops up, one you've probably never even seen before. And right there in that list is exactly what you've been looking for. Save as.
And boom, you're done, just like that. Your chart is no longer a prisoner of the notebook. It's free. You've got a high-quality, standalone image file. It's a real asset now, ready to be dropped into a presentation, a document, an email, wherever you need it. No fuss, no extra code, it just works.
You know, what this really all comes down to is control. You are back in the driver's seat. As our source puts it so simply, now you can save where you wish. On your desktop, in a specific project folder, up to the cloud, it doesn't matter. Your visual goes exactly where you want it to go. This one tiny trick puts all the power right back in your hands.